To begin, you make a slip knot. Take your crochet hook, chain the length of a chain that you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You continue chain until your desired length. After chaining your desired length, you skip the first chain, you go through the second chain space and make a slip stitch. That is, you draw a loop and draw it through the first loop on your crochet hook. You go to the next chain space, you draw a loop and make a slip stitch. You go through the next chain space, draw a loop and make a slip stitch. You continue that way until you reach the end of your chain. You make slip stitches until the end of your chain. You make one slip stitch into every chain space across until you get at the end of your chain. At the end, you chain one and cut. You tie these two loose ends. Then weave them in. You trim the excess yarn. You also use your darning needle to weave this in the same way I have weaved this other one. That is the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like my videos and I will see you in the next tutorial.